सूर्य नमस्कार is oneness form of Vishnu. यानी कि सूर्य नमस्कार is nothing else but getting together with in the form of Vishnu and praying to him. So let's talk about the importance of this Surya Namaskar and why is it important. The sun removes material darkness. यानी कि obviously when the sun rises in the morning, whatever darkness is there of the night, that gets removed by the sun. Clear? The creatures get nutrition from the sun, as like for example we as humans, we get vitamin D from the sun, so that's a part of nutrition for our bones and our bodies. Okay, then and one more thing, it's also a spiritual form of life. The sun is a spiritual form of life. Olden days, in fact nowadays generation also, they believe the sun as a Surya Bhagwan, right? So it's a spiritual form also. In short, Surya is a meaning source of power. So what is it? It's a meaning source of power. Our ancient sages and saints have realized the power of the sun rays like an ocean in a pot. So what they realized that this sun rays can do lots of miracles. So that's why they started doing puja and all towards the sun. So let's talk about something more. Methods of Surya Namaskar for health. Yani ki it's one of the major symbols of health. It gives us lots of energy. As I said, it gives us nutrition. So it's a very important method of Surya Namaskar is health. Okay, it gives complete coordination to the material and minerals of the body. Makes man completely one. Okay, the power of the culture of the body and mind. So in short, it completely connects the body, the mind all together and makes it one, right? So very important. I'm going step by step so that you understand how important the sun is. Yeah, coming back to this exercise. Now over here there are certain exercises which are done. Exercise all the organs of the body in the form of health and several benefits. So by doing exercise in the presence of the sun, the body gets lots of exercise which helps out a lot. Okay, second thing, it builds self-confidence also. Obviously when you do exercise you get self-confidence, and a physical and mental development also happens through this Surya Namaskar. Okay, last of this Surya Namaskar, Surya Namaskar has 12 names which utter their names in the form of mantras. Yani ki people proclaim these mantras and the names of the mantras while they are doing this exercise. Start with the basic positions of Surya Namaskar. One should start performing Surya Namaskar early in the morning at the time of sunrise, keeping the face towards the sunrise, okay, the rising sun in the east over a spreaded carpet, right? Yani ki asan. Whenever you do an exercise, you should stand on an asan so that your energy gets maintained in yourself. Stand with a calm and keeping both feet together with a normal respiration system. Means you should breathe also comfortably, no haste while breathing. Okay, there should not be any ghabrat. Okay, so let's start. Position 1. Okay, stand straight, keeping both the feet together, keeping both the hands closed and bend from the elbow, bringing them in front of the chest. Stand straight in a namaskar position. Keep the body in a tension-free position. Tension-free position yani ki no strain, nothing. Okay, this position is called pranam asan. Okay, there is no stable position in Surya Namaskar. So theoretically it is not yogasan, but it is one of the best exercise depending upon yogasan. So second one, the method. Keep both the palms close joint and pointed towards the sun. Raise your both hands over the head without bending from the elbow in a straight position. Lean both the hands and the head towards the back side and bend your body from the waist as possible as you can. यानी कि don't force it, जितना हो सके उतना ही bend करना चाहिए. Okay? At the bending action, breathe in a slow and a deep and return to itself. Keep both the legs straight without bending from the knees. This position is called Hasta Utthasana. Okay, so now benefits of this: spine becomes elastic and strong from the pipe. Shoulders and chest are neutralized and strengthened. So basically this exercise should be done in a very relaxed form, no forcing and extra bending where it can give you trouble. Position 3. While breathing slowly with the nose, bring the hands downward in a slow motion. Bend the body frontwards, touching the toes of the legs. Keep both the legs straight from the knee. Touch the forehead to your knees. Keep both the hands touching the ground as far as possible. Okay, in such a way that the fingers remain touched with one another and the thumb hands remain together in line. Right. So in short, both your thumbs have to be touched together also, and the ground has to be touched if it's possible. Do not forcing. Remember, all these things are not to be forced. Now, benefits of this: spine, chest, shoulders and the back muscles and legs become strong. The digestive system power increases and spinal becomes flexible. See, all these exercises explain only one thing, that the body is getting nutrition by simply just doing the exercise in front of the sun. Okay, in the third position, you touch the ground with both your hands. In fourth position, after touching the ground with both your hands and your knees together, you release one leg and take it in the backward position. Okay, keeping two hands touched to the ground where the leg is, with the front leg. Right now, and while doing this exercise, you bring your chest forward and look straight up into the sky, stretching your chest forward. Right now, in this, it helps in chest becomes stronger, shaped, gives relief in the disease and constipation, and the body stops giving trouble from any angles. Right, this all exercises, as I said, thing, and in this your muscles also get stretched. Position, take the left leg also back, as in this image you can see, and let your body get a slopey form. Okay, your head also has to be kept together so that your body can stay in a straight line. Okay, your eyes straight, your feet also should be kept together, and so that your body gets a proper push-up position. Now, keeping the legs and the hands straight, come in the final position while exhaling. Yani while you're doing this, you should breathe also. You should not, stop breathing. You should halka se breathe. This position is called Dharna Asana. Okay, benefits: the muscles of the back side become strong, and the disease like constipation, those abdominal, get rid of. So in short, again, I said whatever exercise you do, it helps in curing and purifying the body. So I am stopping here. The remaining of the part of Surya Namaskar, I'll send it to you in the next video. Please do not do this exercise once the full Surya Namaskar part is completed. Then we can go for this full exercise. I hope you like this video. Have a nice day.